Shiitake mushrooms are prized for their rich, savory flavor and numerous health benefits. They are a delicious addition to many dishes. Unlike button mushrooms found in grocery stores, shiitake mushrooms grow on logs. This method of cultivation mimics their natural growing environment. Shiitake mushrooms are a type of wood decay fungus. This means they obtain nutrients by breaking down wood. To cultivate shiitake mushrooms, farmers use logs from specific tree species like oak. These logs provide the necessary nutrients for mushroom growth. The process begins by selecting healthy, recently cut logs. These logs should be free of disease and pests. Fresh logs are ideal as they contain more moisture and nutrients. This ensures the shiitake mushrooms have the best possible environment to thrive. The first step in shiitake cultivation is preparing the logs. Farmers drill rows of holes along the length of the log. These holes are spaced a few inches apart. They are essential for introducing the shiitake mushroom spawn into the log. Shiitake spawn is the mushroom's version of seeds. It contains the fungal mycelium, the vegetative part of the mushroom. Farmers carefully insert the spawn into each drilled hole. They then seal the holes with wax or wooden plugs. This protects the spawn from contamination and helps retain moisture. Once the logs are inoculated with spawn, they enter the incubation period. This period is crucial for the mycelium to spread throughout the log. The logs are stacked in shaded areas or under shelters. This protects them from direct sunlight and harsh weather conditions. During incubation, the mycelium grows best in a humid environment. Farmers regularly water the logs to maintain optimal moisture levels. They carefully monitor the logs for signs of contamination or pests. The incubation period can last for several months, allowing the mycelium to fully colonize the log. After a period of 6 to 12 months, the logs are ready for fruiting. The first harvest of shiitake mushrooms is usually small. Subsequent harvests, however, can be quite abundant. Farmers harvest the mushrooms by gently twisting them off the log. This prevents damage to the log and encourages future flushes of mushrooms. Harvested mushrooms are then sorted, graded, and prepared for sale. Some are sold fresh, while others are dried for longer shelf life. Dried shiitakes have a concentrated flavor and are often used in soups and stews. A single log can produce shiitake mushrooms for several years. This makes log cultivation a sustainable and cost-effective method for mushroom farming.